Thank you for stopping by. Real quick to the point, we are going to show you how to change the flux core welding wire on a titanium flux 125 Harbor Freight welder. So in this case, this machine has served me well. I have done all kinds of work with it. I'm at the point that I am very low on the wire, and I started experiencing binding issues with the spool on its very end of life. Kind of like the spool has gone over and underlapping itself, and it causes too much friction and the wheel doesn't spin. And then I would have to, a quick fix of that was me turning it counterclockwise and just releasing the tension of the spool, kind of allowing it to relax a little bit, and that bought me some rotations, but then it will do it again over and over, tired of it. So if you have a solution to that, please comment it below so I can learn how to use what seems to be maybe like the last 3% of the spool. But with the price point, I'm not too worried about it. I just checked out the price as of today. The replacement for this spool, this is the Harbor Freight version. The part number is 63496. It is $22, $21.99. And I went ahead and I checked out Amazon and came across this one. I will post the screenshot here. And it is 5 thousandths thicker. It is 0.035, whereas this one is 0.030. We are going to use that to see how it works out. I kind of always been curious on what kind of difference is that thicker wire is going to do as far as results for me, being a beginner welder. So in the package, you will get this. So let's go ahead and open this, see what it looks like. All right, we'll get to that here in a second. As far as this assembly goes, it is extremely easy. What I'm going to do is just cut the wire right here, and I'm going to press the power button. It's going to pull the wire just off of the track here. I can probably loosen it here, but this is what I want to do is release the tension, cut it here, and on the gun end, I'll just pull the wire out. So let's cut it, and I can just pull it from here. That's it. Now we just remove this. This is how much I got left. It's not a whole lot, so I'm not too worried about it, but it just started really overlapping on itself. So like I said, if you have any idea on how to save that or use it all the way to the end, or if you never had any problems and I'm the first one with problems, just please comment below, let me know. So now onto the new one. Try that again. We'll cut that off. So we will put that in. And now what we're going to do is just feed it through. So once it's through, I can actually turn it on and feed it all the way around. So I'll go ahead and do that. I already had set the tension to the previous wire. This one is a little thicker. So we're just gonna drive it through, see what it does. I have the gun on this side, but off camera, I'll try to have it as straight as possible so it can feed all the way through. And before we press the button and send it, let's secure the spool. If you see, it has a cut here. That's going to match with the key on the washer. So line that up. There you go. So what I was doing is making sure the lip goes into the plastic and it keeps it center. That spring just gives it some tension to stay in place. And now it's just a matter of feeding it through. So I'll press the switch in here. Power has to be on. So I think what happened is I was supposed to take this off because it probably didn't line itself up. Wasn't happy there. So let's just take this off. Yeah, it just stopped right there. So we'll send it a little bit. There it is. Probably too long for me to work with right now. That's what she said. I never really tightened it other than hand tight. Never had a problem. So how do you know if this wheel is too tight or too weak? Is that you would bend it here and with your thumb pressure, if it still pushes forward, this is too tight. And if it stops, then that's just right. That's what I was looking for. There you have it. I hope you appreciate the quick synopsis on replacing your spool. And if you appreciated this, just go ahead and hit that like button. Please subscribe. And thank you for coming.